Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add Spotify widget to your phone screen. So I am using iOS, so if you are the same, just follow the step. So just hold on the screen and you can find the add button in the top right corner. Just tap on it, search widgets, just type the keyword Spotify, just tap on it. So select widget you like here and tap on add widget. Here we go, has been added. Okay, for the Android you can find in another video we have, so just visit our channel. Okay, that's how to add Spotify widget. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.